Hello students, today we are going to learn on the topic simple interest. If you're wondering what is simple interest is an amount charged or paid for lending or borrowing money. It is usually in the form of percent. Let me give you a very simple example. You might have seen your parents getting loans from the bank. The bank charges some extra amount for lending money. That extra amount paid to the bank by your parents is nothing but the interest. Okay, likewise there are also other examples. Just now let's go to the formula, how to find simple interest or how to calculate simple interest. So this is the formula. I is equal to PRT, okay, where I stands for simple interest or just interest, and P stands for the principal, not our school principal, but the actual amount that you lend or that you borrow. Okay, and R is rate, which is always in percent, so I write in percent. So T is time. In year, it should be calculated over the year, so time in year. So you need to remember this formula. Okay, when you calculate interest, it is PRT. Okay, remember this. Now let me show you one example. Puku borrowed Newton 2000 for 6 months. The annual interest was 8%. What amount did she pay in interest? How much did she pay in total? So here in this example, you have to find two things. First is interest amount and another is how much she pay in total. Now very simple, you know the formula to find simple interest, it is PRT. So here our principal, isn't it, is 2000, Newton 2000. So I just plug into the values 2000 times, now R you see it is 8%. So you learned that we can change percent into decimal form. So changing 8% into decimal form, it is 0.08. Okay, so 0.08 times, here T is for 6 months. 6 months, I told you that time is always calculated over the year. 6 months is half year, right? So 0.5. Now let us calculate 2000 times, you know, mental calculation, 0.08 times 0.5. okay, 85 is 40. So after decimal we have three digit, 1 to 3, so it is 0.040. okay, then again calculate. Okay, 80, 1 2 3, after decimal 3 digit, so 1 2 3, so it is 80. So our interest amount is Newton 80, or simple interest is equal to Newton 80. So you found the simple interest. Now how much did she pay in total? So in total we just have to add with the principal, so 2000 plus 80, which is Newton 2080. So this is your answer. Okay, let us look at some examples from your textbook. Example 1. A bank offers an interest rate of 6% per year. Arjun deposits Newton 2500. You have two parts of the questions. How much interest will he earn at the end of 1 year? How much money will be in the account at the end of the year if he does not withdraw any money? So when you know the formula, it is very simple. Here your principal is Newton 2500 and rate is 6%. Change to decimal, it is 0.06, and time it is given in year, so 1 year you don't have to do anything. If it is given in month, then you have to convert it into year. So just plug into the values. So 2500 times 0.02 times is 6 times 1. So when you do this, you get Newton 150. Okay, so here is he will receive Newton 150 in interest. Now second part, you have to find the total amount. Since he does not withdraw any money within the year, so you just have to add the interest with the principal. So 2500 plus 150 is Newton 2650. Very simple, right? Now second example, Namgyal borrowed Newton 1500 for a year and a half. That is, your time is 1.5, so 1.5, isn't it, year. He was charged Newton 270 in interest. So that here the interest is already given. Okay, usually it will be in percent form, but here they have given an amount 270. What was the annual interest rate? Now you have to find the rate. So question can be in any form, but no worries. If you know the formula, you don't have to worry. Okay, you can calculate, just you have to place the values in the formula. So here interest is given 270, isn't it? Principal is 1500. You just have to find rate. Then your time is 1.5 year, isn't it? 1 year, half month. Now here, okay, let me show you. You have plugged into the values. Now how to find the rate? So unknown value you will keep in one place. You have learned that when the values or numbers change the position, they change their sign, isn't it? Since this is multiplication, turning this side, okay, since these values are going to come this side, multiplication change into division. Again, this is multiplication change into division. Now this equal form is here. Now you'll find the rate. So 270 divided by 1500, you simplify. Let me write here, simplify. So both are divisible by 3. Okay, 3 9 is 27, 350. 9 divided by 50, you get 0.18. Now from here to here it is 0.18, still 1.5. So 0.18 divided by 1.5, you will get 0.12. 0.12, which means it is, so 12%, 0.12 is rate. So it should be in percent form. That's why it is 12%. Change this one into percent, it is 12%. Okay, so this is your example. So you can go through your textbook and you can check it out again. Now next is your favorite time. Okay, I'll send you some homework, so complete it and send it. Okay, if you have doubts, you can go through the examples again. The examples are very clear, and still if you feel you are not confident, then you can message me. I will clarify your doubts. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.